Welcome back. In this video I'll be solving Leetcode problem 76, minimum window substring. Given two strings s and t of length m and n respectively, return the minimum window substring of s of 0. Okay. End of and whatever. Okay. Well, we have to do this for sure. Counter of t. And now or wait a minute. So let's think about this one. Excuse me. Let's think about this one as finding the right side. Finding the right side and then fixing the left side, increasing the left side as much as possible. So left, right, and if I think like that, I can do it a bit differently. Best will be equal, well, not 0, but I guess there's an empty string. Okay. Well, I can do it like this. Current is equal and is it only uppercase and lowercase? Okay, current of okay, and now for key in t counts if current of key is less than t counts of key so this means it's not possible to build what we want. And now best is equal, well, if it is, then it's length of s. Worst case. So for right in something like this. So for right in range, let's build it like this. So Well, current is equal well it's not that easy, but let's try it. So well, I can use current. Not all, but let's as it like this, default dict of type. Well, I'll leave it, and I'll say current of so current of key is equal the counts of key, something like this. And now it's not current, here it's total, and now I have current. But actually I'll do this. Okay, so what's the idea? Idea is now to find the first, whatever its length. So I'm looking for the right side at the moment. I find the right side, and first right side when this is satisfied, and when I find it, I start popping left side in case there is something extra that we don't need. And when I find the string of the smallest length that finishes on the right, I just swipe that window and look if I find that condition again. If I find it, I again reduce it, and so on. So let's try it out. So for right in range length of s, if s of right in current of right plus equal 1, if I'll call hit, so So if current of right is only equal now t counts of right, then I have hit plus 1. Maybe I have a mode is equal false. So if current right is equal t counts right, hit plus equal 1. Okay. If it's not, I don't care. And here I have to check. Well, if hit is equal length of t counts, if it is, then mode is equal true. Then I'm switching mode, and each time I go well, if I'm in a mode, so the idea is to increase, and then I'm if mode. If I'm in mode, then I check well, either way. So if I'm in mode, there was a hit. Okay, and best, well, I will decrease best if possible. Best is equal minimum of best and right minus left plus 1. Okay. Well, maybe I should do it all the way around. So if I'm in mode and I increased right, then I have to decrease what's left. So if I'm in mode, then if s of left in current keys then I decrease it, so s of left minus equal 1. So if it's in the keys, I decrease it. Well, not s of left, but current of left. And if current of left So while if current of left is so if current of left is equal the counts of left, then I decrease hit minus equal 1 and I remove this one. Okay. Now while hit is equal so length of current, something like this. So while hit is equal length of current, I should do this. If left in current, I decrease it. Okay, and this will decrease it for one position more. And there is no decreasing if we don't have a hit. If current of left is equal to counts left. Okay, left. If left, then I don't care either way. So left plus equal 1. And if hit, well, best is equal again this, and one moment I will lose best. So I think something like this should work. Return as of left till right. Is it right? Think about it. Let's do the right plus 1. What do you mean? Key error 0. Current of right. Okay, I can see a little mistakes. So as of left, as of left, as of left and current, as of left, as of left, as of left, as of right, as of right, as of right, something like this. So Okay. Oh, because I'll take the last one. So if I'm in mode, while height is length of current, best is mean, best right minus left plus 1. As of left in current. What? Okay, then I can increase. But this way, will I lose it? I don't know if hit is equal. Then I do it. If not, else break. Okay. Okay. I feel positive. Okay, I kind of get it. I cannot use that. B right is equal 0. So if best is less than right minus left plus 1, then B right is equal right. And best is equal B left is equal 0. B left is equal left. Need to do this each time. So B left, B right plus 1. Ah, come on. Did I miss some or if best? If best is less than right minus left plus 1. Whoa, yeah. If best is great, okay, I messed it up like this. Yeah. this also, I do not need to do this actually. And I think this should work. And let's see. Come on. Okay, I think I messed it up here. So if s of left is current, I decrease it. I do this, then I decrease it. I'm missing some bit. Let me see, print s of b left up to b right plus 1. Interesting. So I already printed only A here. How come I printed only A? Because I haven't hit the mode. So for right in range. So it shouldn't be in a mode. Mode was false. Okay. So for right in current as right plus 1, current as right, if it's equal, t counts as right, then I have hit plus 1, but it wasn't. So this fell out, and then we did second one, so for right in range. It was equal, hit was plus 1, hit was length of t counts. If best was, oh, if it's greater, well, let's do it like this. I think, yeah. Okay, I think this should work. Yep, just a slight mistake. Okay, so I have just B. Okay, so I switch the mode and I have a B, and if mode is equal hit, well, this is true, best, and best is, if best is greater than, well, currently, what was, best was is exactly this. So if s of left was in current, it was not. So don't care about this one. If heat is equal, I increase left. I increase left. And I go another round. Okay, but I should have updated here. B left is equal left. But in the next one, wait a minute. So this was first time. And I increased left. If best is greater than right minus left plus 1, which it was, B right should be right, B left should be left, best should be right. Right minus left plus 1. Okay, if S of left in current decreased. Okay. Well, how can I check? How can I check this? Print. So this never executed. What does that mean? Let's take a look like this. What? Left is 2. Am I crazy? 2 and true. Two and true. 2 and true. What is what? Oh, it is then. Or I think I messed up. 2 to true. Yeah. Yep. So actually I did it here. So there was A, there was B, and then I went here and tried to and I updated it so while hit was equal length, I went to the next one. If S of left in current and if so I went to mode. Oh, I get it. Mode should be done here because if this is satisfied, yep. Yeah, mode should be done here, but what does that mean for me? I'm not sure if this will work directly, probably not. Works. I'll just try it out. Okay, it works. Oh, nice. Nice. Do I even need this one? Do I now need this one? I don't even need this one. Okay. Well, interesting problem. Let's say like that. It is pretty hard, but I'm not sure when did I start. Probably 45 minutes ago. So I did manage to solve it, and that's nice. Okay, and let's see, time complexity, well, space of complexity of n plus m, and actually it's it's of n, I would say. Yep. So as it's of n, and here we do n plus m, if I'm correct. Of n because we only store. Actually, it's not true. Yeah, actually, it's not true. It can be a bit more optimized for the space, but I'm glad I finished it, so that's enough for me today. Okay, don't know what it is. Yeah. What does that? Oh yeah, alphabet. My bad. Okay. Yeah. I always forget that. But alpha, so almost constant. Okay. Hope this was clear. If you have any questions in the comments, I appreciate you for following this one, and see you in the next video.